Hello, just want to take a quick minute and introduce myself. I'm AJ Shaver with Shaver Specialty Services and Sales Inc. We are a manufacturer's rep for I think 5 or 6 different companies now, and Halverson wood processors are pretty much our main line. We've done over 130 of these in 5 years. This is the HWP 120 model with an adjustable wedge. We picked up the brute force line, which is behind me, last year in August up at Boonville. This is a 1624 with an extended deck. We do run a 6-way and an 8-way wedge. It does have a 12-foot attached conveyor that does dump into a disc cleaner. Shakes off all the loose sawdust and bark and really gives you a nice premium product, and that goes into a 25-foot radius axle stacking conveyor. We pretty much go from our 1-cord dump trailer to 3 1/3 cord bags, so that way I get 2 cords of finished production volume in the log lift bags that you can kind of see back there behind me. Again, they do hold 1/3 of a cord, and we've been finding we seasoned red oak in about 6 months. Behind that, you can kind of see the boom sticking up. That's an AM Machinery 716 1600. That all means that it's a deck over dump trailer that's 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, and that does sport the 190 boom arm on it. That gives you 19 feet worth of reach, and it picks up about 3,000 pounds at the half reach area. So we try to be a one-stop shop for the firewood stuff, whether it's using a trailer like that to go out and get logs to bring them back. I also use that to deliver the bulk bags. Right now we kind of have it positioned between the log pile and the processor. It's kind of like a landing loader. We use the brute force 1624 to fill the NNZ log lift bags. I fill a bag in about 7 minutes, depending on the wood size going into it. So the cord count per hour is pretty huge. Again, the disc cleaner, it just shakes everything down so nice that the customers always comment about the quality of wood coming out to them. If you're not on that kind of scale, you're just somebody that has an outdoor stove and just not enough time to split the firewood, that's where this kind of stuff comes in. This is the 120 model, 14 to 16 inch diameter, feeding it through either a 4-way. We have this one with a 6-way. All of our Halverson stuff just requires a skid steer with at least, well, skid steer, a mini, a tractor, anything with hydraulics. You need 15.5 gallons a minute at 2850 psi with a case drain. All of the units do get shipped with a 14-pin plug and play. That's where the skid steers come in really handy. You do need 5 function buttons on top of the joysticks to run the Halverson stuff. If you don't have that, we do an in-cab harness. It's just a little extra wiring. I think we've done complete setup from a pallet like this to production. We have that video. It's right about 20 minutes. That's taking the lag bolts out, taking this off, and actually doing the full wire on it, and picking up a log and making firewood for the very first time. So whether you get into something like this, they start off at $8,900, or we get into the brute force stuff with the big circle saw machine that's in the mid 80,000s. Happy to give you a quote. We do ship all around the lower 48. I think we even got a sales quote in or two up to Alaska and all different parts of Canada. So give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email us. It's sales@shaverequipment.com. We'd love to talk to you. Every time I talk to people, it's new questions and different things. It just helps make us sharper, and we have quite a bit of product knowledge because we do use everything that we sell. We're not just a sales guy sitting in a cubicle somewhere trying to upsell you on different advantages. We have a reason why we run everything that we run here on the woodlot. So let us fill you in on some of the different things that we have, answer any questions that you may have. And with all the Logger Expos being canceled, please use us for a good resource, because if there's anything that you want to see in detail, whether it's a picture or a special video, just give us a phone call or an email. I'm happy to come out and do something like that just for you, because odds are other people have the very same question. And we do hope to see you soon, or at least hear from you soon if you're not up here at the woodlot in person. And we're always happy to do a live demo. Again, phone number is 833-SPLITTER, or you can email us, sales@shaverequipment.com. We hope to hear from you soon, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.